Hello children, we've got another iteration question. We want to show that the equation x cubed plus 4x equals to 1 has a solution between x equals to 0 and x equals to 1. So what I want to do with this equation is make it equal to 0, turn it into a function of x, and then calculate f of 0 and f of 1. And there should be a change in sign between the answers, and that's going to prove that it has a solution between these values. So let's talk in more action. We said I want to make it equal to 0, so I'm going to take away 1 from both sides. I'm going to rearrange, make this equal to 0. So if I do that, both sides, obviously, I'm going to get x cubed. Sorry. So I'm going to get x cubed plus 4x minus 1. And we said we'll call this f of x. Great. So now I want to work out f of 0. So I substitute 0. Whenever I see x, I substitute 0 in. So I'm going to go, that's 0 cubed plus 4 times 0 minus 1. It's clearly the answer is minus 1, right? Great. Let me work out f of 1. So that's going to be 1 cubed plus 4 times 1 minus 1. Luckily, these ones cancel out, so my answer to that one is 4. So I work that out, and for f of 0, I got minus 1. For f of 1, I got 4. So change in sign. Therefore, solution between 0 and 1. Done. Okay, I want to show that the equation x cubed plus 4x equals to 1 can be rearranged to give me all this. So I notice I'm preserving my x cubed. That means it's not going to be that tricky. That means I just have to isolate this one here, the x. So I'm going to start by taking away x cubed on both sides. So I'm going to be left with 4x equals to 1 minus x cubed. Then I have to divide everything by 4. So 4 divided by 4 is 1. So I get 1x, or x is equal to, this bit I can separate into a quarter minus x cubed over 4, which is what the examiner wanted. So there you go. Done. Okay. Number C, starting with x0 equals to 0, use the iteration formula twice to find an estimate for the solution. So let's use the iteration formula. Now we remember to work out the next term, we want to use the term before it and substitute it. So if I want to work out x1, I'm going to have to use x0. So in my formula, I'm going to say that's a quarter minus x0. But I have to cube it because that's what the equation is telling me, divided by 4. So I'm going to substitute again, and instead of x0, I'm going to say 0. So 0 cubed over 4. Nice and easy to do. Obviously, you still do this in your calculator, you know. Why not? And you get 0.25. So that's my first solution for x1. And to work out x2, same story. I'm going to do a quarter minus the previous term, which is x1. Have to cube it, divided by 4. So I'm doing a quarter minus, remember my previous term was 0.25. I have to cube it, then divide by 4. I type that in my calculator and I'm going to get 0.24609, on and on and on. Okay, so now I want to work out to what degree of accuracy do these numbers round to be the same. So if I check here, I'm going to see that obviously this one is straightforward, 0.25. Second one, if I round it to 2 decimal places, I'm going to also get 0.25. That's why my final answer for an estimate for this solution is 0.25. 0.25, okay? Because the 2 decimal places, both numbers round to this value. Great. So that's it. Oh my gosh, just 2 more. We're nearly there, people. So next we are doing a speed, time, distance graph thing, okay? See you soon. Bye.